Prajwal says, sir, have shared HDFC Bank chart in Discord. Looking at the chart, can we say that 1500 zone can be the last hope for buyers? If you started accepting below that, the consolidation can turn out to be a bigger distribution. This is a daily chart. I request you to share a higher time frame chart or a squeezed in chart. I want to see what lies beneath this. If you can give me a longer term chart, weekly chart I will also do. Let me show you this chart. See that this is exactly what I'm talking about. Now, if I'm looking at this chart and if I say, okay, this is the upper distribution, this is the lower distribution, and we have some single prints in between that. So it looks like a double distribution kind of a move. Now, if this, even if this breaks down, comes to this HV, that is 1450, and then builds another range, that would just, I'll draw it for you here. Let's say if I have to draw this, and if I have to draw these distributions, there is obviously one here, a one which is overlapping for these 3 months, and then definitely one here which is for this upper consolidation. So you have low usage area here, not much here, but still it's some of it is here. So let's say market breaks down and then consolidates here, filling this low usage area. It can easily do it for another 3-4 months, and you won't be able to say that. I mean, you cannot draw any conclusion. It is a perfectly valid market behavior. But what will happen, once it breaks this, there can be a quick move to this HVN. So let's say it breaks there, this is somewhere around 1520. If it breaks it, it can quickly go to 1450. Something like that is plausible, can happen. No, not much beyond that. Not much beyond that. Even if you can plot this, yearly profile, you will realize that this looks much different, and you'll get a much better idea. So you can just go to the settings, and instead of weekly monthly profiles, you just monthly, you change that to yearly, and you will again get a different picture. So try these things out. All right, try these things out, experiment with them, and you will definitely get a much better idea as to what the market is trying to do.